On February 2nd, 2022, a man reported his iPad stolen. Using the device's tracking feature, he was able to pinpoint its location, and it appeared to be moving. When officers tracked it down, it didn't lead to another terminal or a bathroom. It was pinpointed on a plane that was set to depart, and the bodycam footage captures what happens next.
So I had it over here, and somebody just took off with it, I guess.
Okay.
So the tracker is putting it somewhere in this area.
Okay.
And it's obviously not with me.
Right.
You can put a thing in, like play the sound.
Yeah.
So like it goes bing, 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 you hear it, and it's not anywhere. No. So I've looked, I've listened, I mean, it's pretty loud, you can hear it.
Yeah.
So it's moving now. Yeah, I said it's 0.6 miles away now.
So it's going.
Yeah, it's moving.
Did this flight just board, or do you know?
Huh?
Did this flight just board, or do you know?
Yeah, I went over there and asked them, and they basically told me that they can't do anything. So I was like,
okay.
Who do I call? And they said just call the police. So.
Okay. Sorry, I just grabbed that.
Oh, no problem. Oh, never mind. It says it's here. It says it's 200 feet that way.
All right, come on. Come on. You're with me, so. There you go.
Yeah, so it's We're looking right at it right now.
Okay. So is it having a kind of case on it, or what color?
No, it's bare naked. It says Vertical Industries on it. It looks just like that.
Okay. So I'm going to hop on that plane. If you will go ahead and play that for me.
Just keep playing it. You want to take a video? I trust you.
Oh, okay.
Just keep it play sound.
Okay. All right. Hello. We're tracking an iPad that belongs to somebody, and it looks like it's back here.
Oh, they found it.
Okay.
Found it. Oh, wow.
This way right there.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have an iPad?
Yeah, I think it's in Terminal E. It's like where the checkpoint is.
Oh, no, I'm looking for one that's on the plane.
Oh, okay.
What?
So you're missing one?
Yeah, I left it on where the security checkpoint is.
Okay, I don't know anything about that one.
You listen to that bing, bing, bing.
No, ¿cuál tabla? ¿Y tú la dejaste?
Is your phone going off?
Huh?
You got a phone going off?
Spanish. Spanish.
No, I think that's something different. No. You got an iPad?
An iPad.
Oh,
That noise?
that might be his alarm. I think he put it on snooze by accident because it was going off earlier. Could it? Is your alarm going off again?
No. That's coming from
Yeah. Somebody got
Spanish.
I don't speak Spanish.
Is it in the overhead
That's
fan?
what I'm wondering. Whose bag? Your bag?
Some man?
Yep. I need you to step off. Come with me.
Oh?
Come on. Come on. Can I get a Come on. Sorry.
This?
Yeah. The backpack is his. That's.
Okay. Let's go.
So here's your phone back. If you hold back to there, we're going to deal with something here.
Spanish?
Nope.
Oh, in Spanish?
We're bringing somebody. We're bringing somebody over.
Okay.
iPad? Hey.
It was just sitting there?
Not the English. Oh, iPad.
Yeah.
En un asiento.
Not yours, right?
No.
No?
Sí, ya. No es mía.
The one in there is yours.
No es mía.
No?
Estaba en un asiento.
Then why is it in your bag?
Oh,
Yeah, we're bringing somebody. We're gonna get a Spanish speaker over here. Come on.
So we're gonna head upstairs.
¿Y el vuelo lo pierdo?
You're not flying. No, you're
Huh?
coming with us.
Oh,
No.
no bordo.
No,
Oh,
just stop. We're gonna get a Spanish speaker.
For the translation, though, we don't have to do it over the phone.
Just stay right there, okay?
He's at a gate that
es que nada español, alguien para explicar.
he's going to take time out to get a phone number where you
We
can
have a
make phone
Spanish
call.
speaker coming.
No es mío.
Okay, not yours. Don't touch it.
No entender.
Oh yes, don't understand, of course.
Oh, ya el avión.
I don't speak Spanish.
El avión.
No,
El avión.
no,
No.
no,
No.
no.
Sí.
You have a stolen iPad in your possession. We're getting a translator so you'll understand. But you have a stolen iPad.
Oh,
You picked it up
Yeah.
and put it in there.
Yeah.
Not yours. That's not yours.
Yes, sir. We do need some help with that. So.
This iPad,
ya. Sí, pero no fue como que sola, abandonada.
it's not yours. This iPad, this phone is mine.
Sí, ya.
That iPad
ya.
is not yours.
No.
You put it in your bag.
Sola.
No.
Oh,
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat.
ya,
for me.
ya, ya.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for your help. Okay. You're now on speaker. So if you'd like to explain to him, the sound in his bag would belong to the iPad that was not his, and then we'll go from there.
Señor,
Sí, diga.
hey, la policía dice que esa máquina que está en tu bolsa
Sí.
no es tuyo.
No es mío. No es mío, la encontré. Estaba en el piso. En un asiento, o sea, abandonada.
Eso es que, okay, officer,
Yes, sir.
he says that he found it on the floor, it was abandoned.
Okay. You want to ask him what he's doing picking up property that isn't his?
Hey, señor,
Diga.
¿quieres saber por qué levantó la cosa si no eres tuyo?
Disculpe, es que estaba abandonada, pensé que fue un error mío. Disculpe.
He said he's sorry, but since it was abandoned, he thought he could pick it up.
Okay. It was not abandoned. It was sitting next to the contractor's
But
property.
it belongs to another person, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Señor,
Dígame.
esa máquina es de otra persona
Sí, yo lo sé.
que trabaja allí en la airport.
¿Oh?
¿Qué?
Diga que no lo entendí.
No, esa máquina que tú levantó es de otra persona.
Oh, es que pensé que estaba abandonada, pero sí, no tengo problema. Si es otra persona, o sea, no tengo problema. Sí, no tengo problema. Se lo entrego, no tengo problema.
Yes, sir. Okay, he says he's going to give it back. There's no problem, and he's sorry.
Okay. If you'd like to inform him, he's going to be placed under arrest for theft, because that is a problem, and taking someone's stuff and taking it onto a plane and putting it in your bag is not acceptable.
Hey, señor.
Diga.
Hey, dispénsame, pero sí es un problema. Es que uno no puede levantar.
Sí, es verdad, cometí un error. Yo, sí.
Y echó en tu bolsa y llevó la hermano contigo. Y boom, la policía estuvo buscándolo.
No,
allí en la-
pero es que no, es que si está en mi bolsa, no. O sea, no.
En tu posesión, ¿no?
¿Oh?
If he wants to come over and explain it, because I don't think he's going to
Tú
get it.
tenías, ¿no?
That's okay.
¿Yo tenía?
Tú tenías la máquina, ¿no?
Sí, pero es que no sabía ni que lo estaban buscando, no sabía si tenía dueño, ¿sabes? No sabía, si no hay problema, si eso no es mío.
Bueno, eso es que dice. Uno no debe hacer.
Sí, es verdad, tiene razón, fue un error, pero, o sea, no pasa de nuevo.
You want me to come over there?
No, we have another officer that's actually cleared up, and he's able to come over.
All right.
So,
I would explain to him. He's still saying no. He's sorry. There's no problem.
okay. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, face the wall. Put your hands behind your back.
¿Oh?
Manos here.
Yes.
Aquí.
Oh, amigo. Oh,
Put your hands behind back. Hold on.
yeah, thank you.
What gets me is that guy, he didn't know where to go. Like, he didn't know what plane to board or whatever. So he asked me for help. And I helped him board the plane. Like I helped him, yeah, you're gonna go here when they say this or whatever. Like, so he understood me then.
Yeah.
So anyway, I
That's
thought
good to know. I appreciate that.
I was like, when I saw him, I was like, oh man, that kind of hurts my heart a little bit.
Yeah, that does.
Everything else is just talk.
Okay.
But pretty much what he's, it's the same thing basically. He's saying, hey, I was sitting there, he saw it there, he thought it was abandoned, and he's telling me, look, I recognize the error.
Okay.
What he said. I recognize the error. So he's asking me if there's other things that can be done, blah, blah, blah. And he's asking me too if, this is important for the report, but he's asking me if this is going to affect his travel. So you're not traveling right now. Because it will affect future travel. I said, I don't think so.
The tracking data led officers directly to the stolen device, which was successfully recovered. The suspect was arrested and charged with theft. Thanks for watching The Crime Stop. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos, and have a great rest of your day.